So today we're going to be making some compost, and this will be for the breeder bins. We're going to be using this green made tub with the coffee ground residue from one of my local coffee shops. It's getting a little moldy, but that's actually good. And some vegetable slurry. And a bunch of cardboard and paper. So first off, in Jane from Rock and Worms video, she said that what you have to do, start out, is take all this, not all, there's way too much stuff in here for it, but I think probably 2 of this, but I'm gonna just do a little bit to start off with, because like I think she said beforehand that she didn't like doing it like all the way, just because it puts strain on her back. So I'm gonna try the same, but she uses it in like separate. She makes it in separate mixing dishes. I'm just gonna do it in the tub itself. Oh, should probably get you. So we're just adding this coffee ground, and I know there was a specific amount that she added, but I did not remember. I think that's gonna be fine. I'm just gonna do it around that. I remember hers looked kind of trippy looking after it was fully mixed in. So it was a lot of black and white. Okay, that's like way too little. I'm gonna just dump. I think that's a good amount. I used a little bit of colored cardboard in here and colored paper, as you might see with like some of these. They look a little bit colored, and they are colored, but I read on the cardboard packaging that it's recyclable. So I'm gonna trust it, even though I'm aware colored cardboard is negative, or at least it's to be avoided. Because you're still gonna get colored, you know, you can still get ink in your cardboard, but yeah. Is that a good amount? I'm gonna add more. I think maybe just like 2 scoops more. These coffee grounds have been laying around for a while, so this is pretty good. There's quite a lot of coffee grounds you can get from different breweries. My opinion, that looks pretty good. There's a little bit of chunks because this is, again, like an older coffee grounds that I've been keeping, so that's fine. It might cause a little bit of anaerobic bacteria, but I don't think so. Okay. We're adding some more. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. That just had like a giant plume of paper dust. Okay. It's probably not going to be enough, but we'll see. So now, the next step is adding vegetable slurry. That does not look very good. This is the new one that I just made like half an hour ago. And this is the other one. Not gonna use all this because I'm gonna use it eventually later in the big bin. Now, question, is that a good moisture? I'm gonna grab my gloves for this just because I don't want to get coffee ground, shredded paper, shredded cardboard, vegetable slurry on my hands. Oh yeah, this is better. Okay, I got it in a snowball, which is good, but our goal is a few drops and a handful. I'm gonna just use the rest of this and I'll get a little bit of water. Okay. That's a little bit too much from my eyes. It looks like there's too much coffee grounds. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. That's gonna be good. And now we have the final bits, or the steps. So might just add more coffee grounds and then water it down, because this looks like it's way too small for it to even like get hot in there. So I'm gonna add just a hand, or 2 handfuls more of this. And I don't know if this is in frame or not, but I have another bucket of coffee ground. That is weird. That smells like pepperoni pizza. Okay. I'm gonna use a shovel this time just because I don't want to get coffee grounds everywhere on my gloves. We're just gonna start with 3 and see how it looks. Also, now I declare this not Jane's fault if this fails, because this is looking like a me experiment now, or a me try it out. Let's see. This is the castings in question. Is this 100% worm-free? Okay, because I'm paranoid, I'm gonna use the sieve, which doesn't even allow cocoons through. So we are 100% safe with this. And these are easily just peat moss, because I feel like the worms could have been freaked out, I guess, and they just didn't produce good castings. But it's still worth a try. So we're just gonna mix in the castings with the rest of this. Okay. I'm happy with that. And now we're just gonna add some of this paper on top to seal it in. Okay. Spread it all out. Okay, that's it. Then